Zayn Malik and Gigi Hadid were spotted kissing in New York City over the weekend, and reunion rumors are now flying. This episode is brought to you by Secret Active. New Secret Active provides protection in the moments when it matters most. Well, that escalated quickly. Zayn Malik and Gigi Hadid announced their breakup in two separate emotional Twitter posts almost 2 months ago. The supermodel kept ZG shippers' hopes alive, however, when she wrote in part, quote, "I'm forever grateful for the love, time, and life lessons that Z and I shared. I want nothing but the best for him and will continue to support him as a friend that I have immense respect and love for. As for the future, whatever's meant to be will always be. XG." Did you catch that ending? Well, it appears that Zayn and Gigi being together might actually be what's meant to be, because they were spotted getting a little bit cozy together over the weekend. An eyewitness spotted the musician and model hanging out in the Soho district of New York City on Sunday, April 29th. The source tells Hollywood Life that Zayn actually leaned in and gave Gigi a kiss on the cheek as they were standing outside. Zayn previously admitted that he thought he was going to be in love with Gigi for the rest of his life, and a source close to the former One Direction member tells the website that he isn't ready to let her go just yet. The source explains, quote, "For Zayn, even if it's friendship, he still wants Gigi in his life because she is the only one that really knows him and can deal with his quirks. He really trusts her and he can really tell her anything, and he confides in her a lot of his worry. She makes him feel so much better, and if that leads to them having a romantic relationship again or just being great friends, he really is interested in that happening because she is such a strong support for what he goes through day to day." But wait, there's more. TMZ also obtained photos of Gigi and Zayn making out and looking happy as ever while they hung out in NYC. I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling like this is a strong sign that ZG is officially back on, or at least on the path to reconciliation. Nothing is officially confirmed at this point, obviously, but could this mean Zayn and Gigi decided breaking up wasn't the best thing for them? Absolutely. Could it also mean that they're enjoying a different kind of relationship now, like friends with benefits? Of course. So what do you think Zayn and Gigi's recent kiss means? Tell us your thoughts in the comments below. I'm your host, Ava Gordy. Thanks so much for watching Clevver, and I'll see you guys next time. And now click to the right to check out our amazing new cooking show, What the Flavor, and don't forget to subscribe. This episode was brought to you by Secret Active. Elevate your performance with Secret Active.